Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I did this makeup look. Look at this. Look at this. This is so incredible, so beautiful, and I test a few new makeup releases, and I love it. And look at this. I love this makeup. This is so amazing. This is so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. Do you like it? This video, this YouTube channel. Do you like it? This makeup. Thumbs up. Do you like it? And enjoy this makeup tutorial because it's so incredible and it's so beautiful. And look at these eyes. Beautiful. I love it. I'm going to start to use this one over here. This is from Louise. This is the base 05, and I'm going to put a little dot of my crease on my eye, because this product over here, this is so good. This has helped me a lot when I want to do something very colorful. This has helped me a lot. Bperfect Carnival XL Pro. This is so beautiful, and this is a collaboration with Stacy Marie. Look at this colorful. It's so beautiful. I know. I'm going to use a brush, a small brush. I'm going to use this one over here. This is a pencil brush, and I'm going to second purple shade. First I use this one, and was my second shade, and this is my third shade. Now I'm going to use the first shade again, because the purple one, it's so light. Okay, done. Now I'm going to clean, and for clean my cat crease, I'm going to use this one over here. This is from Louise. This is a cat cover. This is a coconut oil, so it helped me to clean my cat crease, to do a cat crease, and I love this product. This is amazing, really. Now everything is clean. Look at this line. So beautiful. And I'm going to use this product over here. This is the Louise paint. My shade is the shade 01, and basically this is a base, and I'm going to cover my crease. This brush is from Louise. I love it. This brush is perfect for the cat crease. This is amazing. And now I'm going to cover my cat crease. So I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to tap my shade. I'm not going to blending. I'm going to tap. So I'm going to start with the first shade, the purple one. Now I'm going to apply the second shade. It's a little bit more light purple. And the third shade, I'm going to use the pink one. So this is so beautiful, I love it. Now I'm going to do this eye off camera and I will be back. I apply some lashes and this is my eyes. I love it. I absolutely love this makeup look. Now I'm going to do my skin, and first I'm going to use this one over here. This is E.L.F. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. My shade is the shade Fair. So I'm going to use this brush over here. This is from Jessup, and this brush is so beautiful and amazing. I love it. They sent me this and I absolutely love use this brush. I can't stop use it because they are so good and I love it. For my foundation, I'm going to use this one over here, UOMA Beauty. So I bought the shade White Pearl, and this foundation says this is a medium to full coverage, unique in a 6 formulation. This is long lasting, transfer proof with a soft, radiant, natural finish. The name of this foundation is Flawless Aerial Skin Perfection. So I'm going to apply over here and blending. I like the coverage. Okay, like it. My forehead. Okay, I don't know, but my foundation, it's moving. I don't know because of this, because I use this first, or when I applied the second layer, my foundation started to move. So I don't know. I need to use more this foundation and tell you my thoughts. Okay, for now looks good, but I need to use more and I'm going to tell this is good or not. So for concealer, I have this one over here. This one is from Juvia's Place, and this is I Am Magic Concealer. My shade is the shade 21, and this concealer, look at this, this is so big, and this shade is light shade, but the 20, yeah, I think the 20 is too dark and 22 it's more light, so the 21 is the middle and I bought the 21, but I think it's too light. So I am a little bit confused. So this sent me this sponge over here. I never used, but today I'm going to use this one. Sponge. It's a little bit wet. It's not too wet, but I'm going to test. My under eyes look so flawless and the coverage is magical. I love it. The coverage is so good. So this is the Pink Honey brand and this is Bperfect cream bronzer. My shade is the shade Buttercream. Looks good and so creamy. I have bronzer for rest of my life. This is 14 grams. This is a lot of bronzer. And I'm going to apply here. Okay, shade, I think it's good. It's a little bit too orange for me. I can use and blending so easily. I I tested this bronzer for the first time yesterday and I love it. I'm going to blend it with my sponge. Wow, this is so creamy and blending so easily. I have this blush over here. This is from Doll Beauty. This is a cream melt and I bought the shade. Look at this shade. Oh my god. I bought the shade Peach please. And look at this. Look at this. I think it's perfect for my eyes. This blush, it's perfect for my eyes. And this shade. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay, I don't need to tell you nothing because you can see, look at this color. Oh, gorgeous. I love it. This is so beautiful. I love this color. You don't need too much blush, you need a little bit because the pigmentation, it's so good. I love it. Oh yes. I think this is my favorite blush for the summer. I can't stop it. This is so good. This is so good and beautiful. It's so magical with my under eyes, with my eyes. This is perfect with my eyes. I think this is more monochromatic look. Yeah, I think because this blush, it's amazing. Yes, girl. This is amazing blush. I love it. And for my highlight, I have this one. This baby over here. Look at this highlighter. This is from Iconic London. This is a highlighter, the shade Original. And girls, this is so little, but this is two dots. And you will see. Two dots. And I'm going to start the blending. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh Jesus. This is so beautiful. Wow. It's amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this skin. Look at this. So beautiful. Yes, girls. I'm going to apply a little bit of powder of my under eyes because of my creases. I need to apply a little bit powder. Now I'm going to do my under eyes. For my on the corner, I use this shade over here. This is so beautiful. Look at this. You can see this shade. It's so beautiful. Look. For my lips, I use this two over here. This lip combo is from Doll Beauty. This Pants lip liner shade Thank You Next. And this is the lipstick. The lipstick is so beautiful. Look at this. And this is the shade Golden Girl. For lip gloss, I use this one over here. This is from Incense. This is Extreme Shine. The shade Golden. This is my makeup for today. And I love to do this makeup eyes. I think it's beautiful and perfect. My skin looks incredible. Yeah. I love how my skin looks like. Looks so beautiful and flawless. I hope do you like it this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up do you like it. And see you in my next video. Bye.